Did a CVS haul today. Here's the things I bought. I bought golden Oreo cookies. These are my favorite. And I got some goldfish. And I got a pack of Twizzlers. Another goldfish. And I bought York peppermint patties. Love those. What's in that bag? My other bag I bought this Vaseline spray. I see the commercials of these on TV and I hope this works. Can't wait to try it out. It's a Vaseline moisturizer. Moisturizes in seconds. And this is in I'm not sure what flavor or kind this is. I guess this is the regular. And then I got Salon's Nail Effects. This is pretty cute. Guess there's like hearts. I never tried these before, so I thought I'd try them. And then I got in another store trying to get it out of the bag. These nail art pens. I'm not really good at doing these, but I got a black one and a white one. So you just draw on your nails. Fine tip. So, and this was only $5.99. So I hope these work. This is all the different designs you could do. So I'm going to try this. And that was my little haul today from CVS. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and rate and comment. Thanks.